Hello and welcome to this new week of our phrase of the day in a foreign language. I'm Adelaide.
And I'm Darren from TalkBox.Mom.
Where you start talking a foreign language the same exact day you start. Now this week our theme is...
It's teenager things something.
Phrases to say! Yeah!
And I'm going to let these balloons go crazy.
But you can also, you can also do these phrases with younger kids because today's phrase is take your clothes to the laundry room. Mm-hmm. And Darren was like, everybody says that.
Yeah, everybody.
But you know what? Teenagers, maybe they have to be reminded more.
Sometimes I forget.
Sometimes you forget. Well, you know what? You might be surprised to know, Darren, that some teenagers don't do their own laundry. Who does your laundry? Yep.
And my brother all the way somewhere in downtown.
You and your brother, huh? Do I do your laundry?
No.
No, but you might.
But when I was a baby, yes.
When you're a baby. Do you know some teenagers eat Tide Pods that you do your laundry with? What would happen if you ate it?
You'll die. First maybe you can have a 10% chance that you live if you go to the hospital.
Oh my gosh, maybe. Okay, so here we are. What we're going to do is, if you want to do these phrases with us this week, we have the phrase of the day calendar that you can get in the language of your choice. Just comment below or DM us. Today we're going to do the phrase in one language. Darian has the random language generator, and he is going to click that and choose a language.
Okay, here we go.
And you got Italian. Ooh. All right, so if you already have the $35 phrase book, you can follow along in the app with us in the language of your choice. So I'm going to show you how to get there. You're actually going to go to C,
like for cursive.
Close, and cursive. That was a good one. High five.
It's right there. It's right there.
Okay,
right,
so now we're going to go over to
this is confusing.
Close.
Right.
Perfect. Okay, and it is... Pick up your clothes. Oh, that one we're doing later this week. Take your clothes to the laundry room.
Right there.
Ooh, so many good ones for clothes. Okay, I missed it. You're right. I did miss it. Okay, here we go. Let's hear it in Italian. Now, we don't do Italian in our home. I'd love to.
Yeah. But
so we're going to do our best. So I hope you guys have fun doing it with us. Here we go. Oh, hold on. I got to crank that volume up. Whoopsies.
To the max.
Let's see how. To the max. Here we go. Oh, louder. Porta. I. Now I hear it.
Tuoi. Vestiti. In. Lavanderia. Porta I tuoi vestiti in lavanderia.
I'll try it. Porta I tuoi vestiti in lavanderia. What'd you think? That was fun.
9 out of 9.
9 out of 9. Let's do it again together. Here you go. Porta. That must be put. Porta.
Yeah.
I.
Tuoi.
And then the
Vestiti. In.
Lavanderia.
I am the headless horseman, and I give you a 9 out of 10.
Okay, so if you are just starting, you can just do the slow part until you can actually say the full phrase, and that's just fine. I'm going to try it after I hear it, and it's not going to be perfect because I'm just starting, and it's really fun, and I want you to give it a try too, Darian. You give it a try, one-arm man.
Porta I tuoi vestiti in lavanderia.
That was really good. Porta I tuoi vestiti in lavanderia. Something like that. Awesome. Well, if you're using this phrase with your family, we'd love to see you having fun using it. Tag us on Instagram in your stories at TalkBox.Mom. We'll see you there. Bye.
Bye.
See ya.